Hey everybody, it's Ben here at Toyota Beasley. We're going through how to jumpstart your cars. It's turned a little bit colder here, so come on in. This is a 26 Prius. Let's show you on here. First thing you're gonna do, you gotta take off the relay and fuse box cover. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. We're gonna find the positive terminal, which is right here on top. You're gonna flip this up, and that just folds off to the side. You then connect your positive to that, right on top. You're going to take the black one and you're going to connect to a ground anywhere. We're going to use this knob right down here at the bottom. We're going to connect right down here. Now, as much as it looks like it's easy to get to, do not use this right here inside the fuse box. Do not. That's also a positive. Stay away from that. Go right down underneath. You got a nice spot to connect right there. Turn on your meter, start it right up. You can do that off of another car or off of a junk box.